In this video, we will see how to create beautiful text animation in PowerPoint. So friends, before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get such informative videos. So let's start today's video. First of all, we will change the background of the slide. Then close. Now go to the Insert tab and choose a WordArt style from WordArt gallery. After this, go to Home tab and select Font. Font size 150. Right click, go to Format Shape, Text option and click on Gradient Fill. By adjusting the gradient stops, you will select different colors. Then close. Go to Format tab, Align left. After this, using press Ctrl Shift, drag the right side and change the word and repeat the same thing. Go to Home tab and select size 28. Format and align it to center. And here we write about the best educational channel. With the text selected, go to character spacing and adjust the spacing between characters. Take it down. Select a text box. Then go to Animation and select Fly In. Now go to the Effect option and choose from left. We'll open Animation pane and we'll go to Timing. Select Start with Previous. Duration 1 second fast. Then OK. Now add animation. Select Spin. We'll go to Timing. Select Start with Previous. Duration 1 second fast. Then OK. Select Object with click Animation Painter. Select something else to automatically apply the animation and delay 0.10 seconds. We'll continue to follow the same process and the delay will also change. Delay 0.20 seconds. Delay 0.30 seconds. Delay 0.40 seconds. Delay 0.50 seconds. Delay 0.60 seconds. Delay 0.70 seconds. Now select this text box and select Float in Animation. Go to timing. Select start with previous duration 2 second medium, then OK. Go to Insert tab and select Shape. Choose Color from Shape field. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go back to Insert tab. Select Rectangle. Choose Color from Shape field. Make it no outline and move the shape to the right side of the slide. We will select both and group them. After this, go to Animation, go to Add Animation, select the line. Now, go to Effect option, choose from left. We'll adjust the path like this and select After Previous. Now, we will play the slideshow and see. So, see friends, our text animation slide is ready. If you like the video, then please like it. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon and also share with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.